Kaze everyone, so we're gonna do our turmeric face mask. These are out of stock. I'm gonna be restocking it very soon, so stay tuned for that. I do pop-up shops or makers markets. It's like a farmer's market sometimes, and when I take these, they sell out very quickly. I run out of them at the events, the in-person events that I attend, and I never get to ship them to people who want to order them online. So, and I can't really make a lot of these because they're really hard to make and they're very messy to make. But anyways, we're gonna go, it's just honey, organic honey and turmeric with vitamin E. But we're gonna go ahead and wash our face. We're using our aloe vera soap. I'm kind of running out of it. It's one of those little massage aloe vera soap that I made a long time ago. It's unscented. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. Let's just wash our face and then apply the face mask, and then 30 minutes later we're gonna take the face mask off and then apply our moisturizer, and we'll be ready for the night. This is my nighttime routine using turmeric face mask, my vegan soap, and my body oil, hydrating, rejuvenating body oil. So we're gonna go ahead and wash our face, and then I'll show you how I apply it. But anyways, let's go ahead and wash our face using our aloe vera soap. So I'll come back when I have washed my face, because you don't need to see that because it's not necessary. You just wash your face. Okay, let me just include it for the curious minds. So I just wet my face. I'm gonna apply my soap. I usually use the massage side, but it's run. Ooh, it feels so good actually. Oh wow. Oh yeah, it's getting all in there. I like these little massage bars, but they're so hard to make. I'm gonna try to make some for y'all and put it on the website. But they usually take a while and they get stuck in a mold. And the little massage part doesn't come out right, so I never really make them. But they seem to be people's favorite. People actually like them, so. I'm gonna use a clean washcloth to so I apply the soap on my face and on a washcloth. So I'll just go ahead and do this. A lot. These are my oily spots: the forehead, around the nose, and the chin. Don't forget your neck. I'm not really gonna do my neck now because I'm gonna take a shower soon. I do my neck when I'm taking my shower. We're gonna go ahead and wash this off, and then I'll be back. So after you wash your face, go ahead and wash your face washcloth, because I don't use the same washcloth for the rest of my body. This is designated for my face. And I just pat dry with the same damp cloth. And then we're gonna go ahead and apply our face mask. So it's getting dry, not too dry, and don't wait till your face is extremely dry. This turmeric that I make, you just need a little bit goes a long way. It's a very thick texture trace. And you can make this at home by yourself. It's just turmeric, organic honey. You just have to be careful what kind of honey you use, because some honeys are just sugar. They're not really, they're like artificial sugar, just, you know, sugar syrup, whatever. Or it's like honey that's artificially made. So make sure you watch out for what kind of honey you buy. I usually buy my honey from, it's a local bee shop that I usually get my honey from. They're based in Ohio, and I ordered them. It takes about like 3 days to get my honey. They have a bee keeping business where they produce honey, organic honey, and they don't add anything. They don't give the bees anything to produce more. You know, everything is just naturally made, I guess. And yeah, that's where I get my honey. So be careful what kind of honey you get. All right, so be careful what kind of honey you get, because not all honey is honey. Okay, honey? All right, so this is gonna be on for actually 15 minutes because I kind of washed my face a little bit too hard today. So I'll just leave it on for 15 minutes. Depending on how your face is feeling, you can leave it on for 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Some people will actually leave it on overnight, so your choice. It's not gonna harm you. It's just gonna dry off on your face. It's not gonna give you any irritation or anything. I'm not gonna say that the longer you leave it on, the better, because that's not the case. All masks are different, so in this case, honey and turmeric doesn't really dry off very fast, so you don't have to leave it on for too long. 15 to 30 minutes is good. I wouldn't leave it on for more than an hour. Who will want to have this on for more than an hour? No one wants to have this on for more than an hour anyway. So yeah, we're gonna be back in 15 minutes. It's just turmeric and honey, so if it goes in your mouth, don't worry about it. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and take it off. It's been about 20 minutes. I had planned on 15 minutes, but he exceeded my timing, so we're gonna go ahead and wash it off, and then we're gonna wash it off with some soap. But this time we're not gonna use a washcloth. We're just gonna rinse it with some soap a little bit so we can get the stain off of our skin, so it's not too much stain on our skin, and then we'll apply the moisturizer. As our face is washed off, we're gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of soap just to get the yellowing. You see the yellowing around my eye? It's because there's still some stains around there, so we're gonna go ahead and wash it off. The water is so good on your face. Anyways, here it is. I used to have a lot of blemishes here, so as your acne goes away, it leaves some marks on your wherever it may have been. So you have to make sure you get rid of those marks if you want a super clear skin, and that's what I'm doing. I've been fighting acne for a while. Until I started making my own soaps, I was struggling to fight acne, but when I did start making my own soaps and my own oil, it really helped out a lot and actually got rid of it. So now it's a matter of clearing up the spots where it used to be at. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna let my skin air dry for a little bit while it cools down, and then I'll apply my hydrating slash rejuvenating oil. Oh, by the way, I sell these African sopa. They call them sopa, but they're African net sponge. Let me see, give you guys a little close up. They're African net sponge. They dry very quickly and they don't store up any bacteria. They're very exfoliating, so if you want to really clean your body and get rid of all that dead skin and dirt, this is the way to go. It's 60 inches long. What is it like? I'm 5'4", so this is exceeding my height, so over 5 feet tall. And you can fold it twice, or you can cut it and then you can reach your back. See how I'm reaching my back? Gets that spot. So make sure, I think I have it on my website. If not, you can check it out on my Etsy shop. It's only $10 and it lasts a while before you can actually get a new one. I've been using this one for about, I think, like 3 months, and it's still in good shape. It still has the same exfoliation. So make sure you grab this African nest sponge and get rid of all those dead skin that's just been piling up in your back. You see me? You see me getting all the way to those tough spot, hard to reach places. Yeah, so make sure you get you one and exfoliate your back and the rest of your body. But anyway, before your face completely dry while still a little bit damp, you're gonna go ahead and get your oil. This is my calendula rose hip argan oil, vitamin E, and some special ingredients that I'm not gonna mention. Anyways, just get a little dab, like very small. A little bit goes a long way. I use this for my body, my face, everywhere. So you're gonna go ahead and get a little bit of it, a little bit. Apply on your face. Oh, it's gonna feel so good. Usually apply whatever they apply on their face. They smack their face a little bit to stimulate blood flow, and then they apply it in this motion, going upwards, going against gravity, so that your face doesn't sag down, so it just stays uplifted, like you just had a, what do they call them, lift, I don't know, fillers, whatever those rich people be getting to keep their faces up and not saggy, like the eyebrows. And anywho, yeah, that's what Korean people do. They put it in the upward motion and they smack their face to stimulate blood flow. But you don't have to do all that, honestly. I don't even know if it works. But based on how Korean people look, it's just something that runs in their bloodline. Oh, and don't forget to apply it on your lips too, you know. Hydrate your lips, you know. Hydrated face. And I'll see you in my next video. And by the way, if you're new or if you've been watching me for a while and you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. It's a way of you supporting my business, and it also helps me produce more content, video content for you guys, just like this one. So if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, and if you will kindly share it, that would be awesome. Anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Amahoro.